How to enable smart downloads on YouTube Premium. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable smart downloads on YouTube Premium, a super handy feature that downloads videos for you automatically so you can watch them offline anytime. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app and make sure that you are signed in to your YouTube Premium account. And once you have opened the YouTube app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, once you are in your settings menu, simply tap on the option labeled as background and downloads. Now here under the download you will see several options. From here tap on the smart downloads. As you can see it's already enabled, but if it's disabled you can just toggle it on. And that's it. Now once you have toggled it on, this feature will automatically download videos based on your watch history, so you can always have something to watch even without Wi-Fi. And you can also choose how much storage you want to use for smart downloads. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.